Hello everyone, welcome in MRK Group of Institute Technology Saranvas Rewari. My name is Seema Yadav from Applied Science Department. I hope you all are fit, fine, healthy and happy at home. We are setting the online classes for BTech courses and my subject is English, or you can say it as language skill. It is common for all the branches in BTech. So let me start. What is phonetics? You have to hear the word about phonetics. Phonetics is the word which comes from the Latin word phonetics, which means vocal, and it was originated in 16th century in BC by Hindu scholar Panis. The association was built in 1886 by Paul Posse, and it created the association International Phonetics Alphabet in 1886. After 1886, it was revised and the name was changed International Phonetics Alphabet in 1989. Now, what is the meaning of phonetics? There is three words. Phonetics is the production, transmission and reception of speech sound in a scientific symbol. There is three words: production, transmission and reception of speech sound in a scientific symbol. In phonetics there are three parts are involved: respiratory system, articulatory system and phonatory system. We all know about the respiratory system. When the air is taking in and taking out, this process is called respiratory system. When we take oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide by lungs and windpipe is called respiratory system. In articulatory system, the organs which are involved in the speech sound is called articulatory system. In articulatory system, there is two parts: passive articulatory system and active articulatory system. In passive articulatory systems are those organs which have not movement, or in active articulatory system are those organs which have movement. Suppose, or for example, in passive articulatory system, teeth or the behind part of the teeth is called teeth ridge. This is called passive articulatory system. In active articulatory system, there is nose, lips, tongue, is a roof of the mouth. This is called active articulatory system. Now we come to the phonatory system. What is phonatory system? When the vocal cords open and close by the glottis is called phonatory system. In this system, there is two type of voice comes. First one is voiceless sound, second is voiced sound. The sound which comes higher is called voiceless sound, the sound which compress is called voiced sound. So there is two type of sound: voiceless sound and voiced sound. Now in phonetics there is total 44 alphabets. In 44 alphabets it can be divided into two parts: vowels and consonant. In vowels there are 20 alphabets. In consonant there are 24 alphabets. Now what is vowel? What is vowel? The sound which comes freely without any friction is called vowel. जो शब्द बगैर किसी भी बैरियर्स के बाहर आते हैं वो होते हैं आपके vowels. And what is consonant? The sound which comes with some barrier or friction is called consonant. There are 24 consonant and 20 vowels. In 20 vowels we can divide it into two parts. In vowels 20 we can divide it into two parts. First one is single and second one is double. 12 are single vowels and 8 is double vowel. What is single vowel? Single vowel is a vowel which is single, and double vowel is this two vowels combined together is called double vowel. We can say single vowel is monophthongs, single vowel or pure vowel. These are the different words for single vowels. Diphthongs, double vowel or gliding vowels, both are the meaning have the same use for double vowels. Now it comes. Yes. Now what is syllably? What is syllably? The minimal sound unit of a speech sound is called syllably. We can divide it into the minimal sound unit of a speech sound. जिसे आप हिंदी में कहते हो संधि विच्छेद. There is syllably, monosyllably word, two syllably word, three syllably word. Monosyllably is tea, cup, Two syllable word is teacher. For example, monosyllable, it's cup. Two syllable, it's teacher. Three syllable, engineer. We can divide the word in different syllables according their size, or the word which extend the syllable will be changed. Now what is stress mark? Now what is stress mark? The stress mark put on the syllable. Stress mark is the pronunciation of the word. How to the word is pronounced, it depends upon the stress mark. Stress mark. For example, the compound word. In compound word like goldsmith. In compound word goldsmith, we put the stress mark on the gold. Suppose the gold word is pronounced by the stress goldsmith. We can pronounce the word goldsmith. We put stress mark on the gold and we pronounce the smith at the low pitch. At the high pitch we can pronounce the word gold. For example, myself. Myself. In myself we pronounce the word myself. We put the stress mark on the word self. Okay. Now what is intonation mark? Intonation mark. When the pitch goes high and low is called intonation mark. It is show the intention, feeling, command or request of the sentence. We can identify the sentence according to the intonation mark. So what is the intention of the other person, was negative, positive, or what he want to say is called intonation. There is 4 type of marks in intonation mark. First one is rising tone. Second one is falling tone. Third one is rising, falling tone, and third one is falling, rising tone. It has a symbol. In rising tone it is a symbol is like V. In falling tone it is the opposite of V. In symbol is opposite of V. In falling tone the symbol is V, and in rising falling tone it is a symbol. Symbol of rising tone is this, and the symbol of falling tone is like this, and the symbol of rising falling tone is rising and falling, and the falling rising tone symbol is falling and rising. These symbols are put on the sentence to identify the intention of the other person. Basically these symbols are put on the sentence to identify the sentence in a linguistic language, or in phonetics. In phonetics we can study the different language, how it can be the basic descriptions of phonetics in short. In next lecture we can discuss in detail about the phonetics step by step. Thank you and have a nice day.